Here's my top tips for packing for a cruise. First of all, make sure everything coordinates with everything. This last cruise that we went on, I took only blue and white and a little bit of red and a little bit of green, but everything went with everything. Everything went with the same pair of shoes. I had only one dress outfit, which I actually ended up not even wearing, and it had a pair of silver shoes that would go with any other dress outfit if I brought more than one dress outfit. But that would be probably one of the main things, is make sure that every single outfit coordinates, that you have a jacket that goes with everything, maybe a dressy jacket, maybe kind of a sporty jacket, have a purse that goes with everything, take a backpack so that you have something to have your hands free when you need to go through, say, a line where you're showing a vaccination card or a passport. I did take duplicates of things like shoes, sunglasses, and swimwear, because if they're wet or messed up, you want to have extras. But I would have to say my best advice now is, once again, put everything out that you think that you want to take with you, and then take away half of it. Really, take away half of it, maybe even a little bit more, and that will probably work. I thought for sure that this time when I packed, I had already gotten down to that point. I had not. I actually had not. And I probably had at least twice as many clothes as I needed for a 3-night trip. I was planning on a morning outfit, a midday outfit, an afternoon outfit. Really unnecessary, not that many clothes needed. Sometimes you could even wear the same thing again, like your final evening outfit, and then the departure day outfit could be the same. Even your arrival outfit could be the same. You could do double duty on some of those items. As it was, I had a pair of white pants that I wore, I think, 3 of the evenings, because they coordinated with everything. Of course, if you drop something on them, you better have a spare pair of white pants. But those would be my main tips. Twice as many, twice as much money, half as much clothes. That would be the thing. And also, don't forget to take your Stream to See hand sanitizer, because you know that it is eco-friendly. Thanks for watching. Bye.